Hey guys, it's Katt. Welcome back to my channel. So today with me I have a special guest.
Hi.
My friend Leslie. And today we're going to be playing with the new
James Charles palette. This palette just came out on the 13th and it's a colorful palette.
Yeah, so if you guys want to learn how to recreate this look, go ahead and keep on watching.
She's going in with Playground.
I'm going to go in with B.
So we're not really even explaining what we're doing, so...
I'm basically just putting this yellow everywhere. Everywhere.
What brush are you using?
I'm using my Morphe R34 brush.
Oh.
What are you using?
Let me explain. So I used the M533 and now I'm going in with the M411.
So that brush wasn't working, so I'm using my R40 brush because I need a bigger brush.
You know, so my my left eye is like my droopy eye.
Oh, mine is my left one too.
Okay.
Yeah.
But your good side is your...
My right. I don't like my droopy eye. Your good side's your droopy eye?
No, it's not.
What, are you gonna look sad all day or what?
Look! Sad girl eyebrows over here.
We were talking about Leslie's evolution of eyebrows.
Should we show them a picture?
Oh,
let me pull up a picture real quick. she went through a phase. She started makeup in 2014. She thought brick eyebrows were a thing. Like,
there it is. You would use what, black? Like go in with just black?
I used granite. Was it granite from Anastasia?
Oh,
granite? I can't even.
That's black,
That's girl.
black.
That's black.
Ooh.
I don't. Damn, it's been years.
It really has.
But like the fact that I was expecting it to be awkward today, but you know, it's a true friendship because we bounced back into hey.
Yeah, see, I love those friendships. The ones where you're just like,
yeah, because when you're weird about it, like, oh, let's hang out, and then you're like, hi, how have you been? It's like, okay, we're done.
I honestly thought it was gonna be like that.
I'm going in with my painterly paint pot here, and the Morphe.
Are you cutting already?
Yeah.
You're cutting. One eye. Okay, so Leslie went ahead and did one eye.
Because I finished before her.
Yeah, because I looked down and she was done. So using the JH32 brush, I dug into 518 and Rusted. And I just went ahead and blended that right underneath the yellow, right?
Yeah. So I used Playground, Cola, and, oh, I'm going the wrong way, and B. It really is.
You know, like when you're really hungry and you're eating with a group of people, but they're all really hungry,
and
so it's
quiet
super
because
quiet.
You guys are all eating.
Yeah, that's what this is.
That's about to be us in like an hour. Hey, we're done in an hour.
I'm gonna go to Korean barbecue and be like, "Can I get some brisket, please?"
This is gonna be some dinner type of shit.
We were supposed to have lunch.
Yeah, we were supposed to have lunch.
It went from let's go have breakfast to lunch to dinner. What will we eat tomorrow?
Let's just go tomorrow, guys. Don't test me, cause I'm crusted.
Didn't it push?
Oh, I don't know. I tried.
I love it.
I tried switching it up for you, okay? God. Katt, what lashes are you wearing today?
I'm wearing my hypnotic lashes. So Leslie has her own lash line, and right now she's using CC. Honestly, the band is great. Everything about them is great. They're really light. So if you guys want to purchase some lashes and support my friend over here, go ahead and click on the link in the description box below and use Kitty Katt for 10% off your first purchase, or any purchase, or all purchases if you want to make more. I'm going to use Love That and Escape, and I'm just going to go ahead and smoke out my eye with it.
Because you're doing a smoky look.
So what have you been up to, Leslie, these past couple years that I haven't seen you?
Oh god, girl, don't get me started. So I don't know if you're aware, my dad passed away in 2016. And that year, like 2016 was really hard for me because like my dad died, my two cousins died. And it was like right after the next, like one second,
it's gotta
or
be
third.
tough.
It was horrible. And then I lost my job. I was single at the moment, but like going through that, like I got really like toxic to myself. I got really depressed and stuff that I ended up going back to someone that I shouldn't have gone back to. And from there it was just downhill. Like me and her were just, we were honestly just beating each other up because it was like we're both bringing each other down. We shouldn't be doing that. It was really hard. 2016 was really hard.
I'm putting liner. Just putting liner on my eye. What foundation are you using? Oh, you're spraying first, huh?
Oh girl, this, okay guys.
Spraying.
Let me tell you a little secret about the Morphe setting spray. The Morphe setting spray can be used as a primer, as a setting spray. 2-in-1. It's really comparable to the MAC Fix Plus. What foundation are you using?
Lancome. It's 24-hour foundation.
I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is literally the dupe to the Beauty Blender foundation. I'm obsessed with that one. I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium 22.
Ooh, medium.
She's medium. Katt was talking down on my sponges because she said they weren't moist enough.
Oh, yeah. Because I let mine soak in water.
Can you show them how you leave it in water?
I leave my beauty
marinates it.
Yeah.
But I had like, you know, I came with my stuff ready. Like I left them at home and brought them with me. This is the Morphe one.
I love it.
It's really good.
Yeah.
It's really good. But this is from Shop Miss A. This is like $1 sponge. They're really good too. Well, you're still over there blending out.
Go ahead. Continue.
I'm using the NYX 3-step to sculpt. Use this one to contour.
Is that cream or powder?
This is powder.
Ooh.
And I use this one to like bake my under eye area. This is what I use the Morphe sponge for though, because it's a little harder than the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Like you felt it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I just use this to put it under my eyes. Then I'm going in with my Morphe M437. Just swish, swish, swish.
Did I tell you that I got a chemical burn like a month ago? I used some expired makeup wipes. And my face was like burning. It was red. It was peeling. It was...
That happened to me with the Fenty foundation. Never again. She did me dirty. I used to use it like when it first came out. I used it for like a whole month. Like till the bottle ran out. And then I switched to the Beauty Blender foundation because I was like...
I didn't even know that they had a foundation.
Hello? Have you been living under a rock? So I'm going in with this cheap brush that I got for Christmas 2 years ago. It's an angled brush. This is my favorite brush for
really
contour. She gotta sculpt them cheeks, girl. She got fat cheeks.
I go in on my double chin. Honestly, I go in.
You're like...
I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder now. Just gonna set all this. We're setting it. We're not going anywhere today.
She ain't going nowhere.
She really's not going nowhere. Look at this.
That chair though. A little bit on the... I have a small little forehead. I don't really gotta do much to it.
Yeah. You do have a small forehead. It's cute. Like, you're really lucky. I mean, my forehead's... It's average. I have a forehead.
I have a forehead.
That's what it's supposed to be, right? No? People... No? Leave me alone! I also want to do like the little cooking videos where you cook with little things.
Oh my god,
Those are my favorite videos.
I watch those all the time and I'm like, yes, make that small cake.
Honestly, who's that feeding?
So I'm using the Laura Geller Gildan Honey. Y'all know this. Looks like this. And I'm using the Morphe 510.
I don't like white chicks when she's like, powder me.
Powder me!
Powder for my nose, quick. Thanks. Okay.
Ooh!
That's really nice. Okay.
She know what she doing, okay?
She does.
She ain't Leslie, what was it? Leslie point oh, or what was it?
Leslie 1.0.
Leslie 1.0 was bad.
Leslie with the brows 1.0.
Nobody helped me. You guys are assholes. I figured it out when I went to Mexico in 2016 after my dad passed away. That's when I figured it out because I went to Mexico with my family just to go visit them. And I took a picture with my cousin and the picture was like yay close that like my eyebrows were like whoosh. And I was like, oh shit, my eyebrows look bigger than my freaking head.
That's when you knew.
That's when I knew. I was like, my eyebrows gotta be fixed.
Oh, I realized I was putting on too much blush when...
Ooh.
I don't even know. I gave up my bows, gave up my blush.
I gave up my bows at like high school. Like that's when I gave up my bows. I was just like, I can't with bows right now. Let me show the bag.
Where she brought all her stuff. I was like, bring a makeup box.
That's the bag. Ooh.
My biggest fear is like that thing just tearing.
I'm using Makeup Talk by Morphe. So I have no lips. I overdraw my lips.
Like, you do a good job.
It looks like I have a mustache right now.
You do a good job. I use the Hoola Benefit bronzer to bronze my face.
I'm trying to think what gloss. I'm going in with Pixie. I was never into glosses. Then I started working there and everybody was like, let's put a gloss on you. And I was like, oh, okay.
No!
At first I was like, I don't like gloss because my hair gets stuck, you know?
Oh shoot. Okay. I'm not done yet. I'm not done. I'm done. Almost done.
It's okay, take your time. You still wear blush. I don't even wear blush.
You don't wear blush? I love blush.
I know, because I went through that phase like you did. Like, okay, the eyebrow phase. The blush phase where it was like... I can't do that. I can't.
I really like blush. I feel like it just gives... I know a lot of people don't wear it anymore, but...
I can wear it, like, let's say I'm going to, like, a party, like a family party, like a quinceañera, wedding and stuff. Like, I can do it, like, a little bit. But for, like, my everyday routine, I just, like, bronze up my face. Not even contour. I don't even... This is...
Yeah, no, I don't contour every day, for sure. That's something that's, like, a little too much for me to do. But I have to bronze my face. I'm gonna use Face, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that to highlight.
I like that James Charles, Sister James, guys, my palette's already all stained, like this. Okay. She's only 2 days old and she already all messed up. Sister James put a translucent, where is it? Translucent highlighter and banana powder in there. Just FYI guys, letting you know.
Look at this, honestly. Look at this. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna line my lips first with Coffee and Kissy.
So you were working and did you go to school? Did you go to college?
Yeah, I'm in college right now.
I
just took the semester off.
I'm gonna be honest, after high school, I went to college for like a month and then I bounced. I was like,
it's not for everyone.
It's
definitely not for everyone.
I mean,
and it's okay for it not to be for you. I'm going to take these 2 oranges and I'm going to put them on my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take these 2 purples and I'm going to put them on my outer bottom lash line.
She got it.
I got it.
Unleash your inner artist.
For real.
So focused. Took us months, years, just to make this video. Just kidding.
Blood, sweat, and tears.
We got here at 12:30. I got here at 12:30. We started doing our brows at like 2 o'clock. We started filming at 3.
Well, the thing is, we hadn't seen each other in so long that we had to catch up for like...
We were trying to catch up, even though it's going to take like days worth to catch up. We kind of like, we're already like, okay, I know what you've been through. Okay, we understand.
Yeah.
You know? We both thought it was going to be awkward to hang out. We were both like, okay, it's going to be like, hi, how you been?
Hey guys, it's like my first video, and I was like, hi guys, welcome to my channel, I'm Katt. I had to whisper, it was like 4 in the morning.
But we both thought we were going to be awkward about it because we like haven't seen each other in forever.
But definitely not.
But no, not even with Angel and like.
It wasn't even a little awkward. It was
like, hey bitch, how you doing?
How's it been?
Yeah, no, I thought it was gonna be awkward, but no, that's just not like us.
We've never been awkward with each other. But we hit it off so fast. How long have we known each other? Since 7th grade?
Since 7th grade. We didn't really talk in 7th grade. It was like, hi, bye, how you doing? But then in high school, when we were in swim, we were like this.
Oh yeah.
Like we were 2 peas in a pod. Like she would come over. We would hang out.
Do our makeup.
Yeah. We would talk.
You guys, that is it for today's tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's look using the new James Charles palette. And as always, thank you, Leslie, for coming on to...
No problem. Thank you for having me.
Make sure you guys give her a follow. And as always, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys. Alright, bitch, that's it.